everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get automatic page numbers on Microsoft Word. So first open your Word document, then go to the Insert tab, select page numbers from the header and footer group, then select top of page, bottom of page, page margins, or current position. So let's select top of page and select one of these styles. So let's select this one, for example. Now you can go to the Home tab and select the page number, then change the font and the size, as well as the color. Now, as you can see, by applying the page number to the first page, um, page numbers have been applied to all pages. Now let's close the header and footer. Just go to design under header and footer tools and select close header and footer. Now let's add or let's insert a page. Just go to insert or layout and select breaks, then select next page. Now I added a page before the first page, and as you can see, the page numbers have been updated automatically. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.